Now, if you're from a place like this, or this, or this, the way you laugh might be hurting you. Let me explain. Have you ever seen someone laugh so hard, you'd swear they were rich? But they're broke. Like, no money, fridge empty, rent due, but they're busting out a big belly holding laughter. Welcome to the Caribbean mindset. Stress? We laugh. No money? We laugh. The economy collapsing? My guy, we dine with laughter. But why do we do this? And more importantly, is it actually helping us or holding us back? Well, let's talk about it. Growing up in the Caribbean, struggles are normal. But what's not normal is the way we handle it. See, in first world countries, when people are broke, they panic, stress, and start Googling how to make $10,000 overnight. But in the Caribbean, we turn it into a joke. You ever see a man fired from his job and his first response is, well, at least I don't have to wake up early again. But here's the thing. Laughter is a survival tool. It's how we manage to navigate poverty, low wages, and a system that's always working against us. And here's where things get interesting. This whole laughing through pain thing, it actually makes us stronger in business, money, or career success. Think about it. Caribbean people make the best entrepreneurs. Why? Because we've learned how to survive with nothing. We laugh at struggle, but we also find ways to flip struggle into opportunity. We dominate in workplace all over the world. Caribbean workers have the best work ethic. And you know why? Because when we were under pressure, we still found a way to keep going. Ever notice how Caribbean people don't give up? You could fire a Jamaican, a Trini, or a Bajan from one job, and by tomorrow, they're already running a side hustle, selling something or applying for another job. That's because our laughter isn't weakness, it's armor. Now, let me be real. Sometimes we laugh too much. Like, you ever notice how Caribbean people will laugh instead of taking action? Trust me, I've seen it on so many occasions. Like, cost of living going up. Ha 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 ha, boy, we dead. But still, no plan to fix it. And if the government decides to raise taxes, well, at least them thieving with style. And still, no movement to change anything. And trust me, these government people, they go in on us. They don't care because no one's really standing up against them. And trust me, my friend, this is where the laughter can be dangerous. If we're not careful, we end up laughing through problems instead of fixing them. And that's where some Caribbean people stay stuck in low-paying jobs and bad financial situations and never gain wealth. So what's the solution? Because there must be a solution, right? Yeah, it's simple. Keep laughing, but also take action. Let me explain, man. Laugh through the stress, but also learn how to manage your money better. Joke about how things rough, but also look for side hustles, investments, and business moves. Make fun about the cost of living, but also learn about financial independence because wealth is the best revenge. You ever notice the Caribbean people who win in life? They are the ones who use laughter to fuel their hustle, not to escape from reality. Because the fact is, we really have to face this thing. So yes, we laugh through struggles and that's a very beautiful thing. But the next time you bust out laughing at your bank account, also ask yourself, what's the next move? Now the $1 million question is, do you think Caribbean people's laughter is a strength or weakness? Express yourself in the comments below and let's talk about it. And remember, it's not just the destination, it's the journey. Stay locked in. Bless up.